It does not include Dallas or Tarrant or Collin or Denton County or any other locations to the north of those areas, or also to the south or certainly to the west. It does include Rockwall County, Kaufman County, Hunt County, and all locations off to the east from Bonham to Greenville to Terrell, Corsicana, Mexia east. That's until 4 o'clock in the morning. Northeast Texas is more favored up in the Paris, Clarksville, Texarkana, especially Clarksville, Linden, Texarkana. This is the most favored area for severe weather overnight tonight. There's a little line of storms that'll start to fire up east of the Dallas-Fort Worth area at midnight. That watch that includes Rockwall County right now, we can't rule Rockwall out, but most of the thunderstorm activity looks like it initializes just east of you in Rockwall, and then it really starts to fire up when it gets over around Mineola, Athens, maybe up to Sulphur Springs, and then it really starts to intensify over here in East Texas, Northeast Texas, East Texas, from Tyler east to Clarksville toward Texarkana, and it's gone. I mean, that's why that watch is only in effect until 4 o'clock in the morning, because it's in and out very quickly. Behind that front, not an Arctic front, but behind that front, we're going to have winds howling. I mean, overnight tonight, 20, 40, up to 50 miles an hour. So if you hear the winds blowing in Dallas and in Fort Worth, in McKinney, and also in Denton, it's not severe weather. It's just the wind behind the front. Because remember, in those counties I just named, you are not under a tornado watch tonight. It's east of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. It's Rockwall County and locations east. And really, the main threat is going to be east of those spots. But the wind behind the front, it's going to be really, really strong overnight. There's the Arctic front. That's the one that passes by about 6 p.m. on Saturday. Here we are. So the sun's out tomorrow. We have partly sunny skies Saturday. There's 7 in the morning Saturday. We cloud up as we head through Saturday afternoon. That's the Arctic front. That's the leading edge of the Arctic air. It shifts to the south. The Arctic air plunges in. We start Sunday cloudy. We stay cloudy all day Sunday. Dry most of the day Sunday. Late in the day towards sunset, a couple little pellets of sleet, a few drops of freezing drizzle. Then as we head through Sunday evening, that's freezing rain and sleet. That's snow. That's midnight Sunday night. There we are at 4 o'clock in the morning Monday, or late Sunday night. There's sunrise on Monday. That's freezing rain, that's sleet, that's snow to the north, and then it all comes to an end. It's with us throughout the day Monday. It ends Monday night. Now here's the way it will look. All of North Texas has the potential for that wintry mix, okay? That's Sunday night and Monday. The better place for snow will be Dallas, Fort Worth, and locations up toward the Red River. That's for accumulating snow. The best place for just a plain wintry mix, which includes snow, it includes sleet, it also includes a little bit of freezing rain. That's right here across the central part of North Texas. And then from Dallas, Fort Worth, and south, that's the best place for some freezing rain accumulations. All the precip accumulations will be very light. So when I say light, what am I talking about? A dusting, a covering, a coating of snow, a glaze of ice. That's what I'm talking about. Now, some areas up along the Red River could see an inch or so of snow, but we'll refine that forecast. Remember, it's Thursday night. We're talking Sunday night and through the day Monday. So we have a number of days to go before we get to the actual beginning of the event. 30, that's the low tonight. I mean, howling winds tonight, very windy tomorrow. Winds die down by sunset on Friday. But look at that. We hit 71 today. When you walk outside tomorrow morning, it's going to feel 50 to 60 degrees colder than what it felt like today at 3 or 4 o'clock this afternoon. 47, that's the high tomorrow. There's the next 14 days. And I have your Cowboys forecast after this, so hang with me, Joe. Okay. The low temperatures Monday and Tuesday morning will either be at record lows or they'll be new record lows. The record on Monday and Tuesday, the record lows is 11. I'm going 11 and 10. I mean, we're going to stay below freezing for 88 hours. There's the final 7 of the 14 days. We do warm back up, and then we have another little chance of rain as we head through the end of that 14-day period. Now, if you're going to the Cowboys game, obviously the roof's going to be closed, but you're not inside the whole time. You got to park, you got to walk. So the game's at 3:30. That's the kickoff. So at 3 p.m. outside, it's 26 with a strong north wind. It'll feel like it's 15. By the game's over, 6:30-ish or so. You walk out around 7 o'clock. I mean, probably if they win, you won't feel anything anyway because you'll be excited. You've been drinking all afternoon. Wind chills in the teens, and by the time the game ends, there could be a little freezing drizzle, maybe a few flakes of snow, a few pellets of sleet.